Today, we will explore the most frequently used phrases in stand-up meetings Part 3. Acknowledging contributions. Thanks for your updates, everyone. Great job on specific achievement. Example, great job on completing the sprint backlog. I appreciate everyone's efforts in specific task. Example, I appreciate everyone's efforts in getting the bug fixes resolved. Addressing team dynamics. Let's ensure we are all aligned with the project goals. Please keep communication open if you encounter any issues. Let's make sure to follow up on any unresolved points from today's meeting. I will be working on task until expected completion time. Example, I will be working on the performance optimization until noon. Examples in conversation. Hello, team. Let's start with our updates. John, could you go first? Yesterday, I completed the initial testing of the new feature. Today, I will start working on the bug fixes. I am facing an issue with the database connection. I will need assistance from the development team. We are on track with the project timeline, and I plan to work on the next sprint's tasks today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning.